Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to remove end-to-end encryption on Messenger. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and tap on these three horizontal lines right here at the top left. Tap. In here, you're going to want to locate the gear icon. Just go ahead and tap on it. Tap. Now, in the section, go ahead and scroll down. Alright, until you find the section Preferences right here. And under Preferences, you're going to want to tap on Privacy and Safety. Tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, under Security, you have end-to-end encrypted chats. Just go ahead and tap on it. Then go ahead over to Message Storage. Tap. And as you can see here, we have the option called Turn Off Secure Storage. Alright, now if you want to turn this off, just go ahead and tap on Turn Off Secure Storage. Alright, as you can see here, there'll be a pop-up. Any new end-to-end encrypted messages won't be backed up remotely. Alright, again, you might want to think this thoroughly if you really want to turn off secure storage. Now, if you have made up your mind, just go ahead and hit on continue. And once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.